What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Beamer Talk video. Today, we have a very interesting topic to talk about. So make sure you have your coffee cups ready because we're talking about if BMW drivers are the rudest drivers out there. So I came up on something very interesting while doing some research online. I go to BMW, see what they're up to, and I saw a headline that said, BMW drivers are the rudest drivers. And I get it. There's a lot of stereotype when you hear of a BMW driver or you see a BMW driver. You think they're arrogant, they're stuck up, they don't know how to use their signal lights, they can't park, and they're just rude in general. And I don't know, are these really stereotypes? No. In fact, they're actually accurate. According to the report from Insurify, a car insurance comparison shows that U.S. BMW drivers are actually the rudest drivers out there. So Insurify considers a rude driver to be those that receive these violations: failure to yield, stop, passing where prohibited, tailgating, street racing, or hit and run. Careless, reckless, and arrogant drivers, apparently. BMW drivers place 1 and 2 on that list. If you drive a 4 Series or a 7 Series, number 4 came in number 1 and the 7 came in number 2. So all you 4 Series drivers and 7 Series drivers, I'm sorry, but Insurify basically labeled you as by far one of the rudest drivers out there. So if you drive a 2 Series or a 3 Series like I do, we're good, we're clean. But 4 Series and 7 Series drivers, I'm sorry, but this report, not me, this report labeled you as by far the rudest drivers out there. It's kind of a stigma that I've been hearing for a while. It's a stereotype that I've been hearing since I even first bought my BMW. And this was 3 years ago. And I remember myself just going through that kind of like cycle of like, do I really want this BMW and do I want to be known as the stereotype that's out there? Even though I have a base model BMW, you know, I have fun building my car and documenting it on this channel, and that's it, you know. But besides that, there is that stereotype, and to be quite honest, it's up and loud, and it's there. What are your thoughts? I'm a little offended, but I mean, then again, it's kind of a community that we live in, so to me, it's like not a big surprise that we are classified as by far the rudest drivers, especially the 4 and 7 Series. So, guys, let me know your thoughts. If you're offended, let me know. If you like this video, let me know. And I'll catch you next week, family. Thank you for watching or hearing on the podcast. I'll see you soon.